although the refrigerators of our homes are capable of making enough ice on their own. But what if you are hosting a big housewarming party and don't have enough to cater for all? Here, a reliable and affordable ice maker can save your day. There are many products available to choose Nugget ice makers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Nugget ice makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Electric Countertop Ice Maker Machine. The Igloo Automatic Self-Cleaning Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker is one of the best portable ice makers, courtesy of the included handle. This reliable ice maker outshines the rest of the ice maker machines with its self-cleaning feature. It means you no longer need to clean the Igloo ice maker machine because of the automatic 5-cycle cleaning function. This portable ice maker can store up to 1.25 pounds of ice, which is less storage capacity than the ice makers reviewed above. Nonetheless, the lesser storage capacity makes it convenient for you to place it anywhere in the home. Moreover, the water tank features a capacity of 2 quarts. You can make 26 pounds of ice daily using the Igloo Automatic Self-Cleaning Ice Maker. Furthermore, it makes 9 large or small ice cubes in just 7 minutes. You can remove the ice basket to transfer the ice cubes. The drain plug, available at the bottom, allows you to remove the excess water when the ice maker isn't in use. Number 2. Igloo Automatic Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker. With a total capacity of making 26 pounds of ice per day, the Igloo Automatic Portable Electric Countertop Ice Maker machine is one of the best home ice makers available in the market. This elegant and compact ice maker comes with a water tank capacity of 3 quarts and an ice basket capacity of 2 pounds. One of the distinct features of the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker is that it can make 9 cylinder-shaped ice cubes in 7 minutes, which is incredible. Unlike the previously reviewed ice maker, it comes with a closed stainless steel body and a transparent lid. It means you can view the ice-making process from above. You can conveniently remove the ice basket to transfer the ice cubes to the bucket. Moreover, the drain plug allows you to remove the water from the machine when not in use. The intuitive control panel is easy to use with straightforward controls. Furthermore, the controls come with illuminating LEDs to confirm the preference. For instance, you can use the select button to choose the size of the ice cubes as small or large. Moreover, the LEDs automatically illuminate if the ice bucket is full or requires more water. Number 3. Countertop Nugget Ice Maker with Side Tank. If you love hosting cocktail parties at home, the GE Profile Opal Countertop Nugget Ice Maker is one of the best countertop ice makers. It comes with a considerable capacity to make 1 pound of ice in just 1 hour. Moreover, you can use the mobile app to schedule ice making. The transparent front window allows you to watch the satisfying ice making process. Another distinct feature of this sturdy ice maker is the stainless steel body, with LED lighting and gray accents. The total weight of the ice maker is 47 pounds, and it comes with an ice storage capacity of 3 pounds. Another advantage of using the GE Profile Opal Ice Maker is its Bluetooth compatibility that allows you to schedule the ice making from your smartphone or device. This countertop portable ice maker has wide applications with compact size. Moreover, the sensing feature notifies you when the bucket is full. If you forget to remove the ice from the reservoir, the ice melts and water returns to the reservoir. This way, you don't waste any water during the ice making process. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.